Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are making pumpkin spice and ice cookies. These cookies are great for Halloween parties or for Thanksgiving. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients. You will need all-purpose flour, baking powder, eggs, sugar, butter, pumpkin puree, vanilla extract, baking soda, some sweet chocolate morsels, salt, and pumpkin pie spice. First things first, we're gonna combine all our dry ingredients. To the flour, we're gonna combine baking powder, baking soda, salt, and pumpkin spice. Give it a good mix, then set it aside. Next, we are going to beat butter and sugar in large mixer bowl until creamy. Next, we're gonna add eggs into the butter mixture along with vanilla extract and pumpkin puree. Then beat until well combined. Stop the mixer and scrape your bowl. Mix thoroughly until everything is well combined. Gradually beat in flour mixture. Mix thoroughly until well combined. Stir in chocolate morsels. I'm using semi-sweet morsels and mini semi-sweet morsels. Drop the cookie dough using an ice cream scoop or a rounded tablespoon onto a parchment-lined baking sheet or a greased baking sheet. Bake in a preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until edges are lightly browned. While our cookies are baking, we're gonna go ahead and make vanilla glaze. Combine 1.5 cup powdered sugar with half teaspoon vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix well until smooth, then set it aside. The cookies are out of the oven. We're gonna let them sit for 5 minutes on the baking sheet, then transfer them onto a cooling rack to cool completely. Drizzle the cookies with vanilla glaze and enjoy. Guys, if you love soft and spongy cookies, these pumpkin spice cookies are perfect for you. They are fluffy, delicious, moist, and cake-like texture. As we speak, my house is filled with a delicious spicy aroma. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with your friends and your family. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and please leave a comment down below. Help us to grow this channel so that Mama We can keep bringing you good recipes that never fails. Recipes that are cooked with Mama's love. I hope you'll try this recipe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honeys. Let me show you guys how they look inside. Beautiful. Cake-like. Soft and pillowy.